All right, let's talk about failure. Yep, you heard me, failure. That thing we all pretend doesn't exist until it smacks us in the face like a rogue dodgeball in gym class. But here's the truth. If you're not failing, you're not even playing the game. Nelson Mandela said it best, playing small doesn't serve you. And yet, how many of us have been told, make sure you have a backup plan? Now, backup plans are not bad, but here's the problem. If your plan B is too comfortable, you will never go all in on plan A. And plan A, that's where the magic happens. So instead of falling back, I say, fall forward. At least that way you'll see what you're about to hit and learn something on the way down. Think about Thomas Edison. Guy failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. But here's the kicker. No one talks about the failures. They talk about the one time it worked. Or take baseball legend Reggie Jackson. He struck out 2,600 times. But you know what people remember? The home runs. So why are we so scared to fail? Simple. Our brains are wired to avoid embarrassment. But here's the secret. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of success. Every no gets you closer to a yes. Every dead end teaches you a better route. So how do we actually use failure instead of fearing it? Okay, enough pep talk. Here's how to actually make failure your sidekick with 3-step playbook. Step 1. Reframe the L. Instead of I failed, say I just found a way that doesn't work. Thanks, Einstein. Every misstep is data. Collect it, adjust, and try again. Step 2. Bet on you. That thing you're passionate about. The idea that keeps you up at night. That's your North Star. Backup plans are safety nets, but tightrope walkers don't look at the net, they focus on the other side. Step 3. Fail fast. Don't drag out the inevitable. If something's not working, pivot. The quicker you fail, the sooner you succeed. Now here's your challenge. Today, do one thing that scares you just a little. Send that email, start that project, post that video. And if it flops, good. That means you're leveling up. Because here's the scary thought. Imagine yourself years from now, surrounded by all the ghosts of the ideas you never tried, the talents you didn't use, the risks you didn't take. Don't let that be you. So go ahead, fall forward. The world needs your voice, your hustle, your weird ideas. And hey, if this video helped, smash that like button. Drop a comment with your biggest fail or that one risk you're finally ready to take. Let's hype each other up. And subscribe, because next time, we're talking about how to stay motivated when life keeps throwing curveballs. This was your stick figure pep talk. Now go draw your own story.